Hello, in this video guide I'm gonna show you how to download and install xPortal wallet application on your iPhone. So let me scroll down here and type in the search bar App Store and tap on App Store application. After that, if you're on the main page, you should to click on search icon at the bottom right corner and type in the search bar xPortal and tap on search icon. After that, scroll down until you find xPortal digital wallet and payments application. You can tap on get button, and after that you should do double click to confirmation, and after that wait a couple of seconds. After that you can tap on open button. So you can enload to track your activity across other companies, and there you go, you can create a new wallet or import your wallet. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and also you can watch this new video or this playlist about cryptocurrency.